Welcome back to our channel, everybody. How you guys been doing? Hope you guys are doing fine. And this channel is How to Guide. And if you guys are a new viewer, then basically in this YouTube channel we post tutorial videos. And today's tutorial video is, as the topic said, we're going to be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into UWM Mortgage account. Now UWM is a website which provides you mortgage, and mortgage in simple term is known as loan, so it's a loan providing website. All right. Now with that said, let me show you guys how you guys can log in into it. But before that, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel How to Guide, and let's move on, shall we? So the first step, search for UWM Mortgage login like this, and then click on the first link over here. Once you do that, it's going to take you to this page. Now once you're over here, enter the username of your account over here, and then enter the password of your account over here. And just click on sign in, and you should be able to log in into your UWM account. Alright, so UWM means United Wholesale Mortgage. Alright, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then, everybody.